How to prevent kidney disease in aging cats. Must-know tips for cat parents. Is your beloved cat getting older? You're not alone. And as they age, one silent danger starts to creep in: kidney disease. But what if I told you there are steps you can take right now to help prevent it and keep your fur baby healthy and thriving for years to come? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple science-backed ways to prevent kidney disease in aging cats. From the food you feed to one thing you must never forget to do at the vet. If you're a cat parent who wants to add extra years to your kiddie's life, stay with me. This could make all the difference. Hydration is queen. First up, hydration. As cats age, their thirst drive naturally decreases and dehydration puts strain on their kidneys. Make water irresistible. Use cat fountains. Add low sodium broth to food, or even switch to wet food entirely. Hydration is life, especially for their kidneys. Wet food equal healthy kidneys. Dry food alone doesn't cut it anymore. Wet food is higher in moisture and easier to digest, helping prevent buildup of toxins in the blood. Choose kidney-friendly formulas with lower phosphorus and high-quality proteins. Your vet can guide you to the best ones for senior cats. Regular vet checks. Kidney disease often shows no symptoms until too late. That's why biannual blood and urine tests are essential after age 7. Early detection means early action, and early action means a much longer, healthier life. Supplement and support. Consider supplements like omega-3s, probiotics, or potassium binders, but always under a vet's guidance. These support kidney function and may slow progression in at-risk cats. Stress-free environment. Believe it or not, stress affects kidney health. Create a calm, enriched home. Offer hidey holes. Keep routines consistent and provide gentle play. A relaxed cat is a healthier cat. If your cat is over 7, now is the time to take action. These small changes can prevent a lifetime of pain. Drop a red heart in the comments if you're committed to helping your cat live their longest, healthiest life. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another cat parent. Your cat gave you their heart. This is how you give them more time.